Hello everybody and welcome to Cooking with Catherine. Sorry, I've always wanted to present my own cookery show, so this is my great opportunity. So I'm going to show you how to make Haroseth. We think that's how it's pronounced, we're not sure, which is the sweet element of the Passover / Seder meal that we're hoping to do together on Thursday. It's so simple, you really don't need anyone to show you how to do it, but here goes. So I've got a bowl to put it in, and what you're going to need is some chopped apple. That's just one apple. It's suggested using 6 or 7, but I don't obviously need that many. Depends how many of you there are and whether you really love apple or not. And then some chopped nuts. Now I happen to have some pecan nuts that were on offer at Aldi, so I was wondering what to do with them. So got some pecan nuts. You can use walnuts, hazelnuts, whatever you like. If you're Eve, no nuts. So you can do a nut-free version, that's fine. I'm doing a dried fruit free version because I'm not awfully keen on dried fruit. So apart from your apple and your nuts, it says use the same amount of raisins as you've got nuts. I'm not putting raisins in mine. Not keen. Okay, so I'm going to put those into the bowl. We have washed our hands, by the way. Excellent, didn't manage to spill too many, that's good. And put the nuts in as well. And then the next thing that you need is a little bit of cinnamon to give it that Middle Eastern kind of vibe. So I'd say about half a teaspoon, probably. That might be a bit of overkill with the one amount I've got, but about half a teaspoon. This is an enormous teaspoon, so a quarter of this one. And then that goes in. And then the next thing is a little bit of honey. Just a whack. I blew my cinnamon away. A drizzle of honey. And then the other ingredient, it says, is sweet red wine. Well, I haven't got any sweet red wine. And if I had, I probably wouldn't put it in this. I'd probably drink it. But there you go. If you've got sweet red wine, I suppose you could use Ribena, but grape juice, but I'm not quite sure how it would turn out. Give it a whirl, let me know. And then it's just a matter of combining these ingredients together. I should have used a bigger bowl. I'm only using all my apples. I was going to try it with stewed apple. You could have a go with stewed apple. That might be quite nice for a pudding. I did make sure there was no cooking involved, but it said no. Just chop them up and stick them in. And there we go. So if it looks very roughly like that, but with sweet red wine and raisins, then you've made it properly according to the recipe. So that's going to be the sweet element of the Seder / Passover meal that we're doing. And if you haven't already seen the video about how to make matzah, you need to have a look at that as well. And then you'll be just chefing it up big time in your house. Lovely. Look forward to sharing this with you on Thursday.